Going to do a walk around of this 2006 Ford F-150. Very good tires, nice wheels, tonneau cover. Go around once more, the lower area. It's not perfect, but there's very little rust. Got the trailer towing hitch. Go inside. Listen to what it sounds like to start up. Open the door so you can hear the engine better. Sounds very strong. Good cold air conditioning. Storage compartment up above. Middle console folds up and down. And this is the extended cab 4-door. It has the back doors that open up on each side. Thanks for looking at our truck.